Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about Ventique vents. My name's Nick and Don's going to be helping out with the installation part. We're going to show you today how easy it is to install our product, the flush mount Ventique vent. So now Don's going to tell you a little bit about more of our product and what styles and colors we offer.
Hi there, this is our most common style, and we offer it right now in 6 different colors with more to come. But this one right here is the breeze style with dampers. And so these, you can use it with or without the dampers. You don't necessarily even have to use those no matter what. The same frame will fit for different styles if you wanted to do a different style in the same frame. So even if you change your mind years down the road, you can swap it out and switch them out. They will all line up for future use. So we are going to install this one. It does not matter which one, they're all going to install the same way. So I'm going to wet down the substrate just to show you guys which you probably do already anyway, for good adhesion of your thin set. And it does not matter what kind of thin set you're going to use. Whatever is recommended by your tile supplier, you can use. We're just going to simply show you how simple it is to install these vents. And this is on a tabletop mock up, so we're not going to be too picky as far as all that the technical install portion of it goes. These are made for 1/2 inch thick tile and thin set together would be roughly a 1/2 inch.
Now when you install that frame next, Don, now is it critical, you know, as far as how straight it is and stuff like that for installation purposes, or?
Nope, you can install this up to 1/2 inch either way of your opening. So you can lay it out so if the vents are rough and crooked, cut the wrong sizes, or vice versa. But you can, and all you're gonna do is bed it down in there, but you can straighten it up to the way you want it to be straight. And that's it. So I'm gonna run my trowel then over the top of this to get some good bond.
So you're just going right over top of the frame there as far as the thin set goes, correct?
Yeah, you're just gonna just go right over the top of it. And we will take our tile here. You can we pre-cut these obviously just for easiness of the video to show you.
And as you can see, as he's laying the tile down next to the frame, you can see how flush and evenly those are, as the style indicates with the flush mount Ventiques there.
And you can see I did some here on purpose to squeeze out, wipes off easy.
Like you said before, we had these tiles pre-cut in order just to show you guys how easy it is for the installation purposes here. And now there's the third tile that's going to be encasing the whole frame.
And that is it. Now you can adjust and cut this to the way it suits you. Line them up with being flush. This is flush right now. And all that would take once you grout, I would grout up to the frame, the line around there. And put your dampers in place. And there you go. We have 2 screws that are optional if you want to use them to fasten this particular one that has a damper. You can fasten, and to close and open the damper, it's right there on the finger. Takes your fingernail a little bit to get down in there to open and close it. So there you have it. That's how simple it is, and you can just grout it tomorrow and you're good to go. It's flush mount, handicap accessible. So questions?
Yeah, there you go, folks. As you can see, it is quite simple to install these Ventiques. If you have more questions or would like to see more installation projects coming up in the future, visit our YouTube page, follow us. We hope you like what you see. You can visit our website, Ventiques.com, and follow us on Twitter and Facebook as well. So check us out. We got more styles, colors to choose from. So we hope you like what you see, and check us out.